Okay, so today we're making chocolate with Agnieszka. Agnieszka's going to show us the recipe. She's on the camera, so we'll make this like this. So far we have half a block of butter. It's about 250 grams. Let's have a look how much we've got here. 250. So half of this. This is beer drunker. Sure. We have sugar. She used 2 cups of sugar. Now, half a cup of water. Nie gazowana. Cacao. Cacao. Chocolate. Cacao. How many?
3 takie.
Okay. Okay. Tak.
Jeszcze. Sól. Takie tu jeszcze. Dwa? To zaraz wysypię. Jeszcze.
Yeah, she says more, put more in. Tastes good.
Jak jest to jeszcze?
It's like we'll just put the whole one in. How's that? Okay, finito.
Mega?
Onto the stove. So just put this on some heat, and this is going to go and melt really nicely, mix them together. If you don't want to use margarine, you can use coconut oil in Australia if you have this, or you just have access to this anywhere. And you could use probably Rapadura sugar, or you could use coconut sugar, or honey if you like. We'd have to experiment with this, but I'm pretty sure this would be a direct replacement. Oh.
Stevie, she said stir it from time to time, and then it's got to cook, boil, and then you switch it off.
Okay, so she's got here some kakia. I don't know how to say this in Polish.
Cukier.
Sukia.
Cukier.
Sugar, but it's vanilla sugar. So we'll probably use vanilla essence and vanilla sugar. Same thing. That's what we have. Oh. Okay.
Stir it from time to time.
Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate. I'll tell you what, making chocolate is one of the most favourite things I like to do. This is a very different kind of chocolate. This is like Polish chocolate. Country Polish chocolate. It's in a non-stick pan, so it's not sticking to the sides, which is good.
Now we need to pour the flour in.
Flour, it's milk.
Milk.
Okay, it's milk powder. It's milk powder.
And stir it in slowly until it's all mixed in, and then it should be ready.
Yeah.
You pour it in. I've got the iron on.
Oh, she has the iron on. She's multitasking. Thanks, Sasha.
Goodbye, Sasha.
Just a little bit off by a little bit and stir it, not all of it. And stir some, stir it.
More.
Yes, stir it. Otherwise it goes lumpy.
I need more arms. I need the octopus. I'm too delicate, too gentle. I have to be rougher with this. Very nice. It's hot. Oh, that's hot.
Check.
Wow. Crikey. It's very hot. Yeah, give me this one. Yeah. Well, now my finger's burnt. I can feel it.
More aggressively. That's
Beat it. Beat it. Michael Jackson. We need some Michael Jackson here. Beat this thing. Good on the stick.
You tell us more sugar? Stevie, bring it here now.
I'm going to need something to... Oh, look at that. That's just in a silicon type pan, so it's very like flexible, you know. Very good. It's just poured in there, and I suppose we just wait for it to set. And that's it. Maybe in the refrigerator?
No.
No, we just leave this here. Yeah, okay. And that's how you make polished chocolate. We'll try it in a minute.
This is the aftermath of the cooking video. Stephen licking every plate and mixing spatula he can find.
It's good. It's good.